West Virginia hills, how majestic and how grand, with their summits bathed in glory like the Prince Emmanuel's land. Is it any wonder then that my heart with rapture thrills as I stand once more with loved ones on the West Virginia hills? Oh, the hills, beautiful hills, how I love the West Virginia hills. If for sea or land I roam, still I think of happy home and the friends among the West Virginia hills. Oh, the West Virginia hills, how unchanged they seem to stand, with their summits pointed skyward to the great Almighty's land. Many changes I can see, which my heart with sadness fills, but no changes can be noticed in those West Virginia hills. Oh, the hills, beautiful hills, how I love the West Virginia hills. If for sea or land I roam, still I think of happy home and the friends among the West Virginia hills. Oh, the West Virginia hills, I must bid you now adieu. In my home beyond the mountains I shall ever dream of you. In the evening time of life, if my Father only wills, I shall still behold the vision of the West Virginia hills. Oh, the hills, beautiful hills, how I love the West Virginia hills. If for sea or land they roam, still I think of happy home and the friends among the West Virginia hills.